Okay, so we're going to program a simple sprint command. That way we can make our character sprint when we want to, and by default we'll be moving fairly slowly. So we're going to build the sprint command, then eventually we're going to go ahead and build the HUD element that shows the stamina bar, so that way you deplete your stamina while you run. Let's go through adding the sprint command, and that's going to be tied to the left shift key. So the first thing we have to do is declare it. So we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to project settings. And once you're in project settings, you're going to click on input. Once you click on input, you can see there's action mapping. So we're going to go ahead and roll that down so you can see it. So we need to add a button. So we can click on add action mapping, and this one's going to be called sprinting. And we're going to use the left shift key. So left shift. All right, that's it. So that locks that down. We're good to go. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to browse to our character blueprint. So if you click on content, you're going to go to first person BP, blueprints, first person character, and it's going to put it right here. Well, this is what you're looking at. I'm going to zoom into this little spot right here, and we're going to make this our sprint. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to type sprinting, it should bring it up for me. There it is. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I need to pull character movement so we can control the walk speed and the run speed. So I'm going to click on character movement over here on the left side and drag that out so that way we have it. Perfect. And now I'm going to drag out and do set max walk speed. So there it is. And then I'm going to hit Control W to duplicate that and move it up. Okay, so this is going to be our run speed, the one on the top. This one's going to be our walk speed on the bottom. So I'm going to change my walk speed to 250. I'm going to change my run speed to 750. So when pressed, you are going to run. When released, you are going to walk. Now, one thing that we do need to do is make sure to change the default character speed, which right now is going to be higher than that. So if you come in here to character movement, you're going to see max walk speed. I'm going to go ahead and change that to 250. Mine was already changed, so I had adjusted earlier when I was creating this. But that's it. So now I'm going to do is compile, save, and let's see if that works. So I'll hit play. Walking, walking, hold shift. I'm now running. Walking, walking, hold shift. I'm now running. So that's it. It's very, very simple to do, and it gives us a lot more functionality just with the two simple nodes. We now can actually start creating some tension in the game. That's all.